children are angels. Children are miracles of the Lord. Children have a genius inside. And today, I'm very, very happy to talk to Ayushi Tiwari. She's a super, super, super genius. She's super confident. I wish every child awakens his and her talents, just like Ayushi. But why am I saying this? She's a super achiever. She's a learner. She's skilled and she cares. She cares for all children. Let's hear from her. Welcome, Ayushi.
Hello, sir.
कैसे हो आप?
I'm fine.
Wonderful. So I want to learn from you. आपने क्या क्या सीखा लॉकडाउन में, कितनी स्किल्स गेन की और कैसे आप ग्रो कर रहे हो अपने आप को?
So actually, in this lockdown, and previous also, I learned to be positive and never to think negative. And after that, in negative time, I did many positive things, and I learned one skill that was coding. I coded many
Super.
projects
Yeah.
and made chatbots,
Wow.
websites also.
ये चैटबॉट कैसे बनाते हैं? मेरे को नहीं आता.
So there's one website called Dialog. No, just wait. Talflow, okay. And with their code, some coding, and like the question is that what is your name? So we will say like, my name is like and the assistant of Ayushi Tiwari, like that.
वाह, आपके भी असिस्टेंट हैं, चैटबॉट बना लेते हो आप. और मैंने सुना है आपकी स्केचिंग स्किल्स बहुत अच्छी हैं. सो उसमें
Yes, sir.
इंटरेस्ट कैसे जागा? हु इंस्पायर्ड यू?
So actually, I was like when I was kid, I was having a passion, I was having a passion to be an artist, and I
सुपर.
learned to make drawing.
ये पैशन क्या होता है?
So passion means our favorite hobby.
वाह, बढ़िया है. ये पैशन पता कैसे चलता है?
So like the thing we like I love to do sketching. So then after when we'll enjoy that, like it will convert to a passion automatically.
Super. And you said it so beautifully. That which you are good at, that which you enjoy, that which you discover in you, और time का पता ही ना चले. So beautiful, Ayushi. Even adults like me struggle. What is my passion? I'm so confused. And आप तो इतनी छोटी उम्र में पता कर लेते हो. तो जादू हो आप, भगवान के स्पेशल बच्चे हो आप. ठीक है, कभी कभी मूड अपसेट होता
Actually,
है. हाँ.
my passion was to like do sketching, but when I was like 9 year 10 years old, so my father helped me to find out my like real passion that I would do in future.
Thanks to your papa. And all parents should support their children in whatever they are good at, in whatever they like. And they should provide opportunities like sketching, singing, dancing, and also coding if the child likes, right? Good. Now tell me, कभी कभी मूड ऑफ होता है, मरी होती है, स्ट्रेस होता है, टेंशन होती है, एग्जाम है, क्या होगा? तो ये सब कैसे हैंडल करते हो आप?
Like first I thought that how would I complete my syllabus. Then my dad would help me to make the schedule, and then like it is organized, so I'm like no more tense.
Wow. So tension gone. Papa in. Timetable बनाओ, टेंशन दूर भगाओ. Small goals, daily goals. Beautiful, Ayushi. Great answer. ठीक है, कभी कभी फेल भी हो जाते हैं, फेलियर्स भी आते हैं, कंपटीशन में जाते हैं, एंड वी फेल. सो हाउ डू यू फेस फेलियर्स?
तो वैसे मैं कभी फेल तो नहीं हुई, तो मुझे पता नहीं है, but like yeah, sometimes I got failed in some competitions, so we should not be sad that, oh my god, I'm like, no, failed. We should try again. I was saying that, like, we should not get tense that, oh my god, I was worried. We should try again that same thing.
बढ़िया, ट्राई करते रहो और सैड मत फील करो. What a simple mantra. Good. Okay. Now you tell me your 3 happiest moments.
First, when I see my mama papa happy. Second, when I achieve something. And third, that when I've appreciated with my my parents, teachers.
Super. And I know you have earned lot of appreciation. But tell me, when somebody scolds you and somebody criticizes you, क्या आयुषी तेरे कारण हार गए, तेरा काम अच्छा नहीं है, how do you handle this?
Can you repeat?
Yes, sure. See, happiest moment in winning is easy, but tell me, how do you handle insults, criticism? Ayushi, because of you we lost. Ayushi, your work is not good. I didn't like your work. How do you handle criticism?
So I don't get like sad or
Like someone scolded me, but I just improved that which I did wrong, that I improved that same thing.
Super. That's a feedback. That's a feed forward. Let's move forward. Let's keep walking. Let's keep improving. Excellent. Your favorite movie, beta?
Shakuntala Devi.
Wow.
Favorite.
You love maths?
Yeah.
Super. I will ask you a maths question then. 13 13s are?
What's up?
13 into 13.
Have to calculate.
Okay, I'll make it easy. 9 9s are?
Actually, it's 81.
Ah, very good. 13 13s are is also easy. 13 into 10, 130.
No, I learned that, but I forgot.
Yeah, I will tell you. 13 into 10 is 130. 3 into 13 is 39. 130 plus 39, 169. And then Vedic maths has a shortcut. 13 ऊपर लिखो, 13 नीचे लिखो. फिर एक लाइन में 169 आ जाएगा. उसकी मैं अलग से क्लास लूंगा. मैं वैदिक मैथ्स टीचर नहीं हूँ, इसलिए आई एम नॉट सेलिंग माय प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है? Okay, great. Now, do you sing?
What's up?
Do you sing and dance?
Yeah, I love to sing and dance.
Super. Sports. कौन सा sports अच्छा
Yeah, I
लगता है?
love.
Which sports do you play?
For skating.
Very good. It's good for your thighs and strength of back and stamina. Excellent. Great. So lovely talking to you. But before that, tell me, what is your dream? How will you help others achieve their dreams?
Can you repeat?
What is your dream and how will you help others achieve their dream?
My dream is to yes, sir. So my dream is to talk others and meet them, and to talk about their passion.
Super. How will you help others achieve their dreams? Because we have to help others, no? Only then we'll be good leaders.
I will help them to achieve their passion.
Super. So एक काम करते हैं, अगला इंटरव्यू आप मेरा लेना, फिर हम और सेलिब्रिटी भी लाएंगे, है ना? Okay. Thank you so much. Lovely talking to you. Wish you the best and thank you to your parents.
Thank you, sir.